Hello, boys and girls. This is Miss Nikki. I'm here to read to you about The Very Hungry Caterpillar by Eric Carle. And he also drew the beautiful pictures that you'll be seeing. And I also want to teach you how to count on your hands. You can know the order of the numbers by learning this song. And this song I did not write, but I like to sing. How many fingers on one hand? How many fingers on one hand? How many fingers on one hand? Let's all count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Let's get started with the story. The Very Hungry Caterpillar. In the light of the moon, a little egg lay on a leaf. On Sunday morning, the warm sun came up and pop! Out of the egg came a tiny and very hungry caterpillar. He started to look for some food. On Monday, he ate through one apple, but he was still hungry. Show me one finger. You could do it this way, or you could do it this way, or you can even do it this way. You could actually start with any finger. But for the sake of counting, why don't you choose and stick with it, okay? And it's also easier if you start with one of the end fingers, your thumb or your pinky, okay? I'm gonna suggest you start with your thumb, okay? So when we count together and I say 1, start here with the thumb. 1, okay? So 1. How many fingers on one hand? How many fingers on one hand? How many fingers on one hand? Let's all count together. 1, 2, 1. Okay, you ready? Let's see what happens next. On Tuesday, he ate through 2 pears, but he was still hungry. Show me 2 fingers. 1, 2. How many fingers on one hand? How many fingers on one hand? How many fingers on one hand? Let's all count together. 1, 2. On Wednesday, he ate through 3 plums, but he was still hungry. Show me 3. How many fingers on one hand? How many fingers on one hand? How many fingers on one hand? Let's all count together. 1, 2, 3. On Thursday, he ate through 4 strawberries, but he was still hungry. Show me 4 fingers. How many fingers on one hand? How many fingers on one hand? How many fingers on one hand? Let's all count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. On Friday, he ate through 5 oranges, but he was still hungry. Let's count. How many fingers on one hand? How many fingers on one hand? How many fingers on one hand? Let's all count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's all count together. On Saturday, he ate through 1 piece of chocolate cake, 1 ice cream cone, 1 pickle, 1 slice of Swiss cheese, 1 slice of salami, 1 lollipop, 1 piece of cherry pie, 1 sausage, 1 cupcake, 1 slice of watermelon. That night, he had a stomach ache. Take a look at his face, boys and girls. Oh, he does not look good. And we know why, right? He ate a lot of food. And half of it was bad for you. The next day was Sunday again. The caterpillar ate through one nice green leaf. And after that, he felt much better. Oh, look at his face. He looks a lot better than the day before. Now he wasn't a hungry caterpillar anymore. And he wasn't a little caterpillar anymore. He was a big, fat caterpillar. He built a small house called a cocoon around himself. And he stayed inside for more than 2 weeks. Like this. Let's pretend I'm a caterpillar in a cocoon. Then he nibbled a hole and pushed his way out. And he was a beautiful butterfly. Wow. Beautiful. The end. Did you like that, boys and girls? Let's sing the song, How Many Fingers on One Hand, all over again, okay? And when you need to show how many, I want you to remember that song and use it if you need to. You ready? How many fingers on one hand? How many fingers on one hand? How many fingers on one hand? Let's all count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, boys and girls. That's it for now. Until next time, goodbye.